Bank Negara is partnering with the insurance industry to roll out affordable, accessible and easy-to-understand policies under the platform called Pelindungan Tenang. Governor Muhammad Ibrahim says current insurance products are too complex and unaffordable to many Malaysians. He believes that from the perspective of the population that remain underserved, the existing business models are essentially broken. And then if we eliminate double counting, only about 1/3 of Malaysian adults have some form of insurance coverage. Pelindungan Tenang is intended to reach 8 million working-age Malaysians and over 700,000 micro-enterprises. The central bank is planning a rollout in Kuching next month. Iskandar Waterfront City and EcoVest has been suspended from trading pending a material announcement. Both companies are controlled by tycoon Lim Kang Hu. Back in September, IWC and its holding company, Iskandar Waterfront Holdings, had agreed to a second extension until tomorrow to enter into a definitive sale and purchase agreement on their proposed merger. The exercise would see IWH consolidating the group's land bank and assuming IWC's listing status. It would also establish one of the largest listed strategic master property developers on Bursa. The proposed merger is expected to be completed by the first quarter of 2018. IWC and Ekovest shares will resume trading at 9 a.m. on Wednesday. UEM Sunrise is selling a piece of vacant freehold land measuring almost 164 acres in Johor to Countryview for 310 million ringgit. According to Countryview, the land will be kept for future mixed property development projects worth 1.26 billion ringgit. It's planning to develop these projects over a 7-year period. UEM Sunrise Unit Bandar Nusa Jaya Development and Countryview subsidiary Countryview Resources have already inked a conditional SAP. Countryview says it will seek external financing either through bank loans or issuing debt securities to fund the acquisition. It's expecting the deal to be completed in the third quarter of its fiscal year ending November 30th, 2018. PM Najib says Malaysia will consider a free trade agreement with the states if the TPPA fails to go through. At present, Najib says the two nations are committed to keeping dialogues on trade and investments alive via the Trade and Investment Framework Agreement. In respect of the TPPA, he says that he and the Malaysian delegation had a dialogue with members of the US Congress and urged them to stick with the TPPA members to make the agreement a success. But should it not materialize, he has proposed that the TPPA model be incorporated into a bilateral agreement such as an FTA, which has been postponed since 2008. Meanwhile, Najib also brushed aside suspicion of political influence behind the purchase of 25 Boeing 737 jetliners. He says this was a commercial decision and that it was purely coincidental that the deal was announced during his visit to the White House. More developments on the 1MDB scandal. The cops may have ended their probe in September, but AG Apandi Ali has apparently ordered the investigations to be continued. According to Minister in the Prime Minister's Department, Azalina Othman, Apandi made the order last Tuesday. However, she refused to divulge any further details as this would only jeopardize police efforts as well as cause prejudice. To recap, the new IGP, Muhammad Fuzi Harun, had said on September 20th that the police have concluded their probe into 1MDB. The investigation team was set up in April 2016 to scrutinize the PAC report on the state fund.